Speaking test for you, the topic is jogging. Hi Rara,
Hi, Mister.
do you know sport?
Yes, I do.
What is sport in a nation?
Sport is olahraga.
What sport do you like?
I like jogging.
Why do you like jogging?
Good for body.
Where do you do jogging? In?
In Renon.
How far is Ronon from your house?
1 kilometer.
Do you do jogging with friends?
Yes, I do.
Who are they? They are?
Are Lee and Lia.
What day do you do jogging? Monday or Sunday?
Sunday.
Sunday. What do you drink after jogging? I drink.
I drink avocado juice.
Yeah, how much is avocado juice? 10,000 or 15,000?
15,000.
Sweet?
Yes, I do.
Sweet? Yes, it is.